Virginia has a photo ID law that was approved last year by the General Assembly and is in effect beginning this election. The new law requires that anyone voting in person must provide an acceptable form of photo ID. Acceptable forms of photo ID include a Virginia driver's license, military ID, a U.S. passport, or a Virginia college or university student ID, to name a few. Most voters have a required photo ID, but for those who don't, the Fairfax County Office of Elections will provide one for free. Eligible voters voting by mail-in absentee ballot do not need to provide a photo ID. However, first-time voters will need to meet certain requirements. For more information on acceptable forms of voter ID and, if needed, how to obtain a free photo ID, contact the Office of Elections today at 703-222-0776, TTY 711, or go online at fairfaxcounty.gov/elections.